We are on a mission to make car parking simple and almost effortless. Consequently, we upgraded our ultrasonic sensor. So from now, we have a Bluetooth Low Energy BLE ultrasonic sensor with uses Bluetooth Mesh Network wireless solution that provides a simple, stable, and easy-to-install sensor network. Faster and easier connection. Less a chance of installation errors because the RS485 cable is not used. System addressing after installation. Better communication via Bluetooth. Simplified system structure. Upcoming upgrade for full RGB functionality. 256 color range instead of 3. Find out more information and other parking solutions at Parksol.lt.